Cutting steel framing studs? Old methods used to have no competition. Now they do. Let's see how they stack up. Standard cutting tools versus TrueShear. This choice generates sparks. TrueShear sparks productivity. Can require a fire wash. Requires one finger to operate. Cuts jagged. Shears straight. Hell of a racket. Hardly a peep. Makes for messy workspaces. Makes for tidy bottom lines. Not much of a contest, is it? The all-new TrueShear is the better way to cut steel framing studs you've been waiting for. No sparks. No fire hazard. Just 12 tons of shearing force at the press of a button. It's steel cutting reframed.